Isn't it time you told me about the second phase of the plan, Lich?
Certainly. The first phase of the Lich King's plan was to engineer the Scourge, which would eradicate any group that might resist the Legion's arrival.
Like the forces of Lordaeron and the High Elves.
Exactly. The second phase is to actually summon the Demon Lord, who will spark the invasion.
So where are we going now?
There is a nearby encampment of Blackrock orcs who maintain a functional demon gate. I must use the gate to commune with the Demon Lord and receive his instructions.
No one orders me around.
Proceed.
What is it now?
Behold, the Frostworm. These undead dragons are the Lich King's favored pets. This one shall serve us well.
Will. I wish only to serve.
A fateful choice.
The Legion has sent the dead to test us. Victory to the Blackrock clan!
We orcs are the true servants of the Burning Legion. These mindless undead are weak, impure.
Your people failed their task, Savage. You too must be scourged from the world.
I'll make sure
Upgrade
you suffer.
complete.
Is there something
Tread
amiss?
lightly. Tread lightly. He dropped a large tome. Is it magical?
It is a tome of demon lore. No doubt his comrades carry it as well.
I've encountered these demon-worshipping orcs before. How do they fit into all this?
That, young one, is a very complicated matter. Suffice it to say, they no longer hold any favor with the Legion. You rang.
Speak, fool. No one orders me around.
Research complete.
What is it now? Speak, fool.
That sounds logical.
Summoning is complete.
Indeed. You call. Yes, right away. My talents are yours.
Tread lightly.
I've been thinking. Yes, right away.
This better be good.
Speak, fool.
A fateful choice.
What is it now?
What does the shadow will?
What is it now?
The rest of the world will wait.
Speak, fool. The dead should serve. No one orders me around.
Our forces are under
Master.
attack.
Is there something amiss?
What is it now? Speak, research shall serve.
The restless dead will wait.
Tread lightly. No one orders me around.
I wish only to
We
serve.
demand additional lumber.
I gladly obey. I bow to your will. Where shall my blood be spilled?
Tread lightly. Tread lightly. No one
I
orders
shall
me
be your
around.
eyes.
What is it now?
My talents are yours.
Speak, fool.
Let darkness guide me. What is it now? This better be good. Upgrade complete. Research complete. Speak one of the shadow rule. No one is around. Frostborn hungers. The dead shall serve. Tread lightly. Our town is under attack. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. The restless dead await. No one is around. Frostborn hungers. What is it now? I wish
Our forces
only
are
to
under
serve.
attack.
Yes, Master. No one orders me around. The restless dead await. Tread lightly. What does the shadow rule? Speak, fool. Tread lightly. The dead shall serve. Orders me around. What does the shadow rule? For the Lich King. Speak, fool. The dead shall serve. What is it now? This better be good. Tread lightly. No one orders me around.
Wait.
Speak, fool. The restless dead await. What is it now? What is it now? Speak, fool. What does the shadow rule? Misguide me.
That is my
Shall serve. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. This tread be good. The restless dead await. I speak, fool. What does the shadow rule? No one orders me around. The restless dead await. The dead shall serve. Speak, fool. No one orders this better. We demand additional lumber. Tread lightly. This better be good. No one orders me around. This better be tread lightly. Restless dead await. Or the Lich King are under attack. Now this better be good. Down. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. What does the shadow rule? The dead shall serve. I shall be. No one does me. What does the shadow rule?
Yes, right away. This camp guards the Demon Gate. Defeat these orcs quickly so that I can contact the Demon Lord.
Understood. Misguide me. as the shadow
King. Finally. Someone is one.
Our forces are under attack.
Now.
Our town is under attack.
No one is around.
The restless dead await. What is it now?
Tread lightly. The shadows. Speak, my tongues are yours.
Our town is under attack.
Speak, fool. No one orders me around. This is more like it. At last. Tread lightly. Awakes. No one orders me around.
Our forces are under attack.
Speak, fool. A faithful choice. Indeed. A faithful choice. No one orders me around. You call. Yes, no one tread lightly. Speak, fool. Tread lightly. No one orders me around. Frostborn hounders. What is it now?
What does the shadow will?
Speak, fool. Speak, fool. This is more like it. Frostborn hounders.
The restless dead await.
Tread my times are yours. What is it now?
This metal one goes nowhere. We demand additional
Tread
lumber.
lightly.
We demand
No one
additional
orders me
lumber.
around.
Our gold mine has collapsed.
What is it now?
What does the shadow will?
No one orders me around. The
Indeed.
brutes have been slain. The demon gate is yours, Lich.
I call upon thee, Archimonde. Your humble servant seeks an audience.
You called my name, puny lich, and I have come. You are Kel'Thuzad, are you not?
Yes, Great One. I am the summoner.
Very well then. There is a special tome you must find. The only remaining spellbook of Medivh, the last guardian. Only his lost incantations are powerful enough to bring me into your world.
Where should we search for it, Great One?
Seek out the mortal city of Dalaran. It is there that the tome is kept. At twilight, 3 days from now, you will begin the summoning.